first unit nature of physical world and measurements. First important 2 marks book back la Roman letter 2 la first question types of physical quantities, adukaprom second question define precision and accuracy book back la 5th, adukaprom 3 marks Roman letter 2 la book back la second question how will you measure the diameter of moon using parallax method, adukaprom what are the limitations of dimensional analysis, அது book back la fourth question Roman letter 2. அப்புறம் third one write the rules for determining significant figures book back la third question. அப்புறம் 5 marks Roman letter 3 la first one triangulation and radar method. அப்புறம் அது book back la detail la first second part various types of error book back la second one. அப்புறம் explain principle of homogeneity of dimensions and what are its uses, give examples, அது fifth question. அப்புறம் problems example 1.1 1.2 1.3 1.5 1.7 1.9 1.13 1.15. அப்புறம் Roman letter 4 ல 1 2 3 4. Okay students.